Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today we will be dealing with selection and if statements. To start off, let's go about saving our program. So let's go to File, Save As. I'm going to call this selection.java. Save. Okay. And we're going to be making use of the scanner class again. So we're going to import java.util.scanner with a capital S, semicolon, enter. We need to declare it as a class, so public class selection, curly brace, enter. Indent, public static void main parenthesis string square brace args, see if I can spell, args, close the parenthesis, curly brace, enter. Indent again, this time 4 spaces. We're going to be using the scanner again, so we're going to do capital S scanner, lowercase s scanner equals new scanner system.in, close parenthesis, semicolon, enter. I'm going to get user input, so system.out.println. This time we're going to be asking for the score on a specific test, so what score did you get? And then we're going to tab over, we're going to save it to an integer value, so int grade equals scanner with the lowercase s dot next int semicolon. Again, indent. Now we get to the if statement. So if parenthesis, our condition is going to be grade greater than 90, close the parenthesis, curly brace. We need to indent another layer. So if it is greater than 90, then we want to system.out.println you got an A! Exclamation point. And the quote and the parenthesis semicolon line up with the if statement and curly brace. Enter again. Again, line up with the if statement. This time we're going to do an else if. So, with an else if and an if it is greater than 90, it will go in this part of the selection and will not go into this part, because else if only gets done if it doesn't enter the other part. So if the grade is greater than 80, so this will anything between 90 and 81 will enter in here. And then curly brace, indent, system.out.println you got a B. Again, and the curly brace, enter, do another else if, this time for greater than 70, so this is going to be our C grade, system.out.println you got a C. Again, end of the curly brace, one more else if grade greater than 60, print out that they got a D, so system.out.println, you got a D. Again, end the curly brace. One more condition that we need to check. So if it is not does not fall into any of these conditions, then we can do else curly brace system.out.println, you did not pass, and this curly brace, and the curly brace for the main, and the curly brace for the class. Save this. It's file, save. Let's go to our terminal command prompt. Again, in order to first run a program, we need to first compile it. So we do that java c selection dot java, if I could spell. Again, no errors. Now to run it, we need to do java selection, no .java this time. And what score did you get? Let's see. I got a 65. That should print out a D. You got a D. Good job. Okay. And depending on what value you put in here, you can get out a different result. Just to run it again and see that you can get a different result, let's run it again to make sure that different ones do work. What score did you get? This time I got a 85, so I should be getting a B. There you go. Thanks for joining, and see you next time.